Former porn star Stormy Daniels offered jurors sordid and illicit details of an alleged one-night stand with Donald Trump 2 decades ago as his hush money trial continues in New York. The woman at the center of former President Donald Trump's criminal hush money trial taking the stand, Stormy Daniels, questioned by the prosecution, provided her account of an alleged sexual affair with Trump in 2006. At times, she went into explicit detail about their encounter, prompting challenges by the defense and causing Judge Juan Merchan to strike some of her answers from the record.
All of these details that we're learning about, the pajamas, the back and forth, the kind of play-by-play in the hotel room, none of it has much legal relevance to the cases and to the charges that the DA is pursuing here. But they're going to be capturing headlines for days.
Daniels telling the jury that after Trump announced his run for president, she sold the rights to her story to Trump's former attorney, Michael Cohen, for $130,000 and signed a non-disclosure agreement.
As part of this, to keep the story quiet, they're going to want to talk about whether she thought that the reason this all came together was to help him win the election.
Legal experts agree the testimony could be damaging to Trump, but some question how much it actually ties him to a crime. Prosecutors need to prove Trump falsified business records to cover up the hush money payment.
And everyone's saying, oh, gee, that's the fraud. That's what they're trying to get us on. The fact that we call a legal expense a legal expense.
Trump, who has been forced to appear in the courtroom every weekday but Wednesdays, again voiced his frustration for not being allowed to campaign.
I should be out campaigning right now. We're leading in all the polls. I'd like to be campaigning. We'll be leading by a lot more.
Trump's defense moved for a mistrial based on Daniels' testimony, which Judge Merchan denied.